Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I wanted to do a basic tutorial today of what I consider the best indicators on the market today for futures trading, whether you're trading NS, EQ. It even has worked well for me for gold recently and possibly even oil. I wanted to take you through how these indicators work and why they are so valuable for my trading and why I think you're going to find them invaluable for your futures trading. My name is David. I am the Everyday Trader. Welcome back to the channel, guys. I'm using these indicators that a friend of mine has developed and has continued to improve. And these guys have been golden for me for over a month now, maybe coming up on a couple of months. They've helped me pass challenges at prop firms, and they're one of my primary indicators and one of the primary ways that I trade futures during the day. I just wanted to go over today, not just some opportunities that the indicators provided, but I wanted to show you how they work, where exactly you would take an entry, you would take profits, all of the aspects that make these indicators great, guys. We're just going to go over here. So guys, I normally recommend, and what I do is I get my charts open around 7 a.m. Pacific. I don't really like trading the open. Too much volatility. It is very difficult as the market is trying to figure out direction to oftentimes make intelligent trades. Opportunities do go up, but I typically start trading after 7 a.m. And guys, right at 7 this morning, these indicators provided a great entry opportunity for a short on the NQ. And this is exactly how it would have played out. So we're using the Heikin Ashi candles on these indicators. And there are 4 things you're looking for when it comes to taking a trade with these indicators. If you're looking for a short opportunity, you want a red background. And you can see this background had just turned red. You want a red Heikin Ashi candle. You want a red dot down here in the money flow. That's indicating that money is now flowing out of the market on the NQ, on the NASDAQ. And then you want the sell opportunity to pop up. Now, this is going to give you the spot at which you're to enter, which at this point would have been 20,412. This would be the close of the candle. You're going to get this dot, and that is where you know to take your entry. Now, in this case, I had very conservative profit target set, guys. We're only looking to make maybe 10 or 20 points, 2 trades in the market a day. Right now I have a 5-point and a 10-point take profit set up here. And this shows you that you can take more if you want, but guys, you only need really 10 points a day. That's $200 on an account per day. Obviously in this case, we can see that this trade did quickly get through both your 5 and your 10-point entries right here. Had you had a decent stop set up, you could have rode this thing down for another 40 or 50 points. Again, not something we really teach or do, but you could have got 50 or 60 points out of this particular move. But your 10-point take profit was hit pretty easily on this. So we recommend having an automatic take profit in your trading. I trade actually with NinjaTrader. I don't trade through TradingView. These are TradingView indicators and charts. I just have them open simultaneously with my NinjaTrader trading platform. So I'm watching the indicators here on TradingView, and then I'm executing on NinjaTrader. So in this case, I would have gotten in at the 412 and I would have gotten out at the 402. All right. So we wait for a while longer. You do see we have a buy signal here around 7:15, but it's on a red background or a transition background. There's no green dot here. There's no green candle. None of the indicators, none of the other elements that we would need to really take a long here were present except for the buy signal. If we do go here and about 7:32, we did get a great buy signal. We have the green dot indicating money is flowing into the market. You could have taken this on this second bullish candle here and actually rode it up for quite a bit more points, but our buy signal did not come until actually right here on this candle close at 424. And you can see that We had 435 executed pretty easily within this same candle. So another good trade opportunity, 2 of them within the same hour. Guys, you would have been in and out of your trading. If you're looking for 2 trades, 20 points, you'd have been done in 2 trades using these indicators. Again, $200 if you're trading 1 contract on 1 account. Sometimes we trade 2 or 3 contracts. So this would have been $600 worth of trades within the first 30, 35 minutes of trading. If you scroll through the day, you're going to see more opportunities that come up, and you're going to see things that different levels of confluence that do not really indicate the most high likelihood of trade opportunity. For example, we did have a sell signal come on this transition background. We did have a green Heikin-Ashi candle still, and we did not have a red dot here. Although in this case, you could have taken this trade at this candle, 428. You would have had a 12-point drawdown, but then you could have rode this thing all the way down to about a 30 or 40 point profit if you had ridden out the whole thing, but you certainly would have got your 10 points right here. Even though all of the indicators did not converge, you still would have gotten an opportunity. If you're waiting for the next real convergence, it came at 8:10. You had this sell signal here, your entry, your take profit, 10 points. This is a profit wave. As long as these candles continue to close in the money below this profit wave of the sell, you may consider just continuing to stay in this trade until you start getting these candles closing into or above this wave, which they did right here. So had you closed out this trade right here at 50 and taken it at 83, you would have been able to achieve a 33-point win right there. So you scroll throughout the day, you continue to find opportunities and different opportunities that didn't really converge. You did get another opportunity at 8:45, nice win there. And a sell opportunity at 8:55, another sell opportunity at 9:02. And guys, I really don't recommend trading too much past 9 a.m., but if you did, you would have gotten potentially another sell opportunity here, a buy we wouldn't have taken. Here's a buy opportunity at 9:42 that worked out. And guys, here's an indication. The first sell opportunity that didn't quite work was this right here at 9:53. But one of the things you'll notice is there is not a red dot present right here. Okay, so we did have the sell signal, the red background, the red Heikin-Ashi candle, but we did not have the red dot. So technically all 4 of the confluence factors did not exist. So whether you had taken the trade, I'm not sure. You may have gotten stopped out on that one, but you would have had not too long later another sell opportunity that you would have made your money back on, guys. So that is how these indicators work. These things are golden. They work very, very well in our experience, guys. You're winning 80, 90% or more of your entries. There's often days where there are 10 or more wins with no losses. And guys, right now, these indicators are only $99. If you click the link in the description, you're going to be able to get these things before the price goes up. And you can also book an appointment with me, a Zoom conversation where I can walk you through how to install these indicators on your TradingView. I can walk you through how to properly enter and set up, take profits and stops to exit your trades. We can talk about mindset strategies and whatever else we can do to help get your trading profitable. If you are new to the futures trading space, these indicators are a must for you. Or if you're struggling to achieve profitability in futures trading, these indicators are a must for you. Guys, again, click the link in the description below, and we'll see you in the next video.